My name is Tanya, and today I will show you how to quickly set up groups or business units on your LyfQuest platform. After you have signed in, select Clients at the top of the left navigation menu. Here you will see two selections, one for people, one for groups. Select the Groups tab. Here is where you can handle multiple businesses, offer online training, differentiate the corporate businesses you work with, and showcase the products you offer. Select Add to form a group or business unit. Now, give it a title. Select the clients that you want to be a part of this group. It can be clients who are active, clients who are not yet invited, and clients who are invited but have not yet downloaded the app. You can save this group and it will show up as a tile in this section. Using program automation, you can have dedicated tasks, responders, and resources designed to meet this group's needs. Anytime this tile is selected, you will be able to add clients. They will become part of this business group. If a group was created in error, you can always delete it by going to the trash can. Thank you for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials for setting up a successful LyfQuest platform.